Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to solve question 6 and 7 of exercise 5.2, chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. So the sixth question is check whether negative 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So in this question, we'll have to see if negative 150 belongs to this AP series. So to solve this question, we'll have to find n, that is basically we'll have to find which the nth value, that is which term of the series is negative 150. If the value of n is a positive integer, then we say that negative 150 is a term of the series. But then if you're going to get a fractional number, then we will say like this one negative 150 does not belong to this AP series. Fine. Now let's write what is given. So the first number is A. So the first term will be A, which is 11. Okay. D value is equal to second term minus the first term. So A minus 8 minus negative 11 will become negative 3. So value of A is 11. D is equal to negative 3. Now, nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll have to find d. Okay, an is equal to negative 150. So, negative 150 is equal to first number is 11 plus n minus 1 into d will be negative 3. So, minus 150, which is equal to 11. Remove the brackets, do the distributive property. Minus 3 into n will become minus 3n. Minus 3 into n will become minus 3n. Then minus 3 into minus 1 into minus will become positive 3. So minus 150, which is equal to 11 plus 3 will become 14 minus 3n. Taking 14 to the other side, so that will become negative 150, negative 14, which is equal to negative 3n. 150 and 14, when you add them together, will become negative 164 is equal to negative 3n. Cancel the negative sign. Then n is equal to 164 by 3. Okay. Now let's divide this one. So 164 divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Then minus 1. Bring the 4 down. Then 4. 3 4s are 12. No, we are actually getting a reminder here. Okay. So hence what we will say like the nth value here is a fractional 1. So hence negative 150 does not belong to this AP series. Fine, clear, easy. Okay. Moving on to question number 7 here. Question number 7 is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and whose 16th term is 73. Okay, in this question, we'll have to find what is the value of the 31st term. So A31 we'll have to find. And what it is given? We are given A11 and A16 is given. Okay, now let's first write 7th question. So let's write first what is given. So given is A11 is given. So 11th term of the series is equal to 38. And also we are also given A16. 16th term is given as 73. And we'll have to find, what is it we need to find? We need to find the value of A31. Okay, 31st term we'll have to find. Okay, now let's write this one. So A11. So according to the general form, so A11 will be see A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 38. Here n is 11. Okay, so A plus 11 minus 1 into D, which is equal to 38. So A plus 10D is equal to 38. So this is the first equation we've got. Equation number 1. Okay, again for A16, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 73. And A plus 16th term. So 16 minus 1 into D is equal to 73. Now A plus 15D equals 73. Now this is the second equation which we have got. Now let's solve these two equations to find the value of A and D. So A plus 10D equals to 38. So we are writing one below the other. So A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is equation 1. Okay, and this is equation 2. So subtracting equation 2 from 1. So whenever we are going to subtract, we'll have to change the sign. So plus will become minus, plus will become minus, and plus also will become here also minus. So positive A, negative A will get cancelled now. So cancel. And now 10D, positive 10D and negative 15 will become minus 5D, which is equal to now 38 minus 73. So 73 minus 38, if you do, then that will become 5. This will become 6, then this will become 3. Yeah, 3, correct. So that will become 35, then it is negative 35, okay. So solve for D. So D value is equal to minus 35 by minus 5. So cancel negative 1. So D value is equal to 7. Fine, clear now? Now substitute the D value as 7 in equation 1. So equation 1, you can choose any equation. So A plus 10D is equal to 38. Now we know like D value is 7. So A plus 10 into 7 equals 38. A plus 70 equals 38. A equals 38 minus 70. A is equal to 38 minus 70. That will become 70 minus 38 if you do. So carry. Then this is 2, then 6, then 3. Yeah, that will become minus 32. So now we know like A value is negative 32 and D value is 7. Your D value is equal to positive 7. Now the question is we'll have to find what is A31. That is A31 term. So A31 is equal to, now we know we know the value of A and D. So A31 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A31 equals, A we know like minus 32 plus N is 32. So 32 minus 1, D value is 7. So A31 is equal to minus 32 plus 32 minus 1 will become 31. 31 into 7 minus 32 plus 7 ones are 7, then 7 into 3, 21. So A31 is equal to 200 and no, sorry. Here A is not 32. Very sorry. Here A is 31. So A is equal to 31. So 31 minus 1, that will become 30. And 30 into 7. So that will become 0, then 21. Okay, 210. So now 210. Let's simplify this one. So 210 minus 32, that will be 8. Then 0, then 1, then that will become 78. So positive 78. There is 1 here, it will become 178. Okay. So the value of A31, that is the 31st term value will be 178. Fine. So for question number 7, we first frame the two equations here. That is using A11 and A16, we got two equations. Then you solve them, write one below the other. Solve them to get the value of A, get the value of A and D. Then we need to find what is A31, then apply, then substitute the values of A and D and also N. You'll get the value of A31 as 178. Fine, clear now? So if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.